Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, 15-minute chart of the ES, and what I really want to illustrate this morning, I drew this purple line right here for my subscribers in the webcast last night, illustrating how 1812 has been a floor. You've got support there, there, little higher low. This was yesterday. Now, what I had said then is if we break it, then you have a chance to go ahead and get a little bit of a retrace, which I think you need. Whether you're a bull or a bear, this thing needs to retrace. And the logical area for a retrace is down here, 94 to 97, where you've got a lot of congestion of levels. You've got the middle band, you've got the 50-day exponential moving average. That's a logical area for an ultimate pullback. Not saying we're going there today, although it's possible, but if 12 is broken and 12 is confirmed as resistance, that would be my final target area, so to speak. So in the overnight, you saw 12 break, made a lower high here, and now we're pushing up against the 1805, 1806 area. And the ability to keep 12 above it can open up some lower levels as we go throughout the day. Now, in looking at the daily, we printed those 23, 25s yesterday. And it was done in such a way off the open where there was a real opportunity for the bears to knock it right back down yesterday and put in a real rejection candle. They didn't do it, but the important part is that they broke the low from yesterday, the 11 quarters. They broke the 12 area, and now they're going back to work. And you can see this area setting up here with a 20-day, 50-day exponential moving average. I'm not a moving average crossover guy, and I know it sounds great on TV and people like to talk about it, but those pan out. I'm not into something that pans out about half the time, because half the time it doesn't. That doesn't really work for me. And moving average crossovers, in my experience, pan out about half the time. What I'm looking for here is, the bulls are in a nice spot in that they can do pretty much anything in this area and make a higher low, as long as when they come back up, they take out 23.25. And if they do that, that should provide the fuel to go ahead and make new highs. So the issue here is that there's two upcoming things that we need to look for. We're going to pull back, and as long as 12 is sealed, you can ride that. How far? We'll have to see. But 94, 95 looks like a good area. If not, then we could get a little deeper, maybe test the 86 area. If the bears suddenly turn this thing around and go all the way down and break 32, which I think is a very low percentage outcome, but if we do, then the bears are in a great spot, because you've got a high, a lower high, and then just a pronounced lower high that anybody with a chart can find, with a flashlight and a map, in the middle of the night. That, to me, though, is a low percentage outcome. I think what is more likely is that we get a little bit of a pullback, and that the dip buyers come in, and then we head back up. And the issue becomes, when we head back up, can we get back over 23.25 or not? If we can't, then you have matching highs and we head back down, and the daily chart starts to get more and more bearish. If we head back up, then it's just, it's business as usual. So let's watch this pullback. If the more shallow the pullback is, the more likely it is that we'll go ahead and take out 23 and head back to 26. What the bears want is to get a few red days in a row going. to get that concern back in the market that this time is different. And the onus is on them to do that. So we'll see what they can do with it today. All right, everybody have a great day. Follow me on Twitter at Princetontrader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. A lot of new people starting up. Come join them and come join us. We would love to meet you, and we would love to help your trading. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. For everybody like me out here in the East, stay inside, stay warm, stay safe. I'll be back in the morning. Trade them well.